My name is Nadia and I am from Toronto, Canada. I have had the opportunity to attend now 2 Pachavega courses. The first time I was introduced to it, I had been in a severe accident. I was looking for ways to help heal my body, deal with inflammation, deal with trauma, and seek out support. And a friend of mine actually recommended me to the program. And I thought, I'm just going to give it a try, and I've got nothing to lose. And what I found surpassed any of my expectations. Not only did I find raw food, vegan culinary delight, I also found a community of women. I found a support system, and more importantly, I found myself. I cannot express to you how transformative this experience has been. I'm gonna get emotional. It's been wonderful, and I can't speak enough of Danielle and how much she's put into this program and how she's evolved over even the last 7 years from when I've last been here. I'm really impressed. I didn't know what to expect my second time here, and it's just been absolutely beautiful. My heart is full, and I will recommend this to many others, and I will forever keep coming back, keep improving myself, and keep learning, because there's so much to learn and there's so much more to do. So I'm really grateful, and I encourage everyone who hesitates, or there's some fear, or they don't think that they need to change, that their life is good enough as it is. I welcome people to challenge that thought and to come see for themselves.
And then share your food.
And not only that, I enjoy more than anything being creative, and I don't get the opportunity to do that at home with my work, with life. And so I love creating through food and through plating. And just this morning, without a recipe, just going in the fridge, I was able to create this wonderful dish. It is a cucumber Mexicano cup, and it's made with love. And I am so excited for everyone to enjoy and eat this on our last day here. We can enjoy it together.